Hello to everyone, this is Dr. Mariam and I welcome everyone on channel legalone.uae. Today on this live stream, I would like to discuss a very important and highly valuable subject regarding abortion procedures in UAE. Today we will speak a little bit about criminal responsibility, if it's still present or no, in regards to abortion, and what are the conditions, what are the reasons to be for abortion, to make it legal and to make it without of criminal responsibility for the woman in UAE. And of course we will highlight that thanks to the new changes, the support for the health of the woman is much more protected than it was before. Also, I want to touch a little bit if there are any differences between abortion for the Muslim woman and for non-Muslim woman. This is also very important to take in consideration. If any one of you have questions regarding this subject, please feel free to share your questions in the live chat. We will be able to discuss and cover these questions during our live stream. If the questions will need additional determination, later on we'll provide you with a proper reply and any further suggestions if it will be necessary. So I engage everyone to share your questions, to share your comments during this live stream, because this information is mostly for you to share knowledge and to share experience and to share important information regarding important legal subjects in the UAE. So let's start. We have already one question. Just within few minutes I will give a reply on this question. I wanted actually to start with this. So abortion definitely need a reason. So without of legal reason, still even with the new changes in the law, this is a crime. And the responsibility is very serious. Women can be imprisoned during 1 year, so this can be by the judgment, or also the woman can face fines up to 10,000 dirham if there are no reasons for this. What I mean by the term reasons? Reasons means serious medical condition. So there is a serious medical condition for the health and life of the woman, or for the health and life of the fetus. Fetus means unborn child. So if there are any diseases or any problems with the fetus, so unborn child, this is a reason. Or if pregnancy can cause danger for the woman, so during pregnancy or during, for example, possible birth, woman can die, and this can be proven and supported by the doctor. Then this is a serious reason. So of course in this situation, number one is the position of the doctor. So the doctor who is in charge, he needs to support this and he needs to state this. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for attending this live stream, and I hope that it will be useful for you all. If any one of you have questions, please feel free to share your questions during this live stream, and inshallah we will cover all the questions today. There is a second question. Just within seconds I will cover this question. So we are speaking about serious reason for abortion. Serious reason is a medical condition. So if the doctor can prove and can state that there is a danger for the life of the woman within this pregnancy, or there is a danger for further life of the unborn child, these are the reasons. Some people, they asked if this is necessary to have commission, etc. So this all is under responsibility of medical authority or a clinic or a hospital to provide this procedure. Sometimes it might happen that there is a serious situation and some serious urgent procedures need to be done, urgent surgery, and this should be done immediately. So different things might occur. So here, if there is something necessary immediately, any surgery, then even the consent of the woman or her husband is not necessary. So the doctors can take the responsibility, and these changes might help to prevent, for example, death of the woman, because many situations happened in UAE when unfortunately pregnant woman, she just died because it was impossible to reach to her husband or to reach to any male relative to give a consent. So this is mostly to support and protect the life of the woman and to make the procedure more quick, to find the solution and to make urgent medical help. This is very positive, and inshallah it will give positive reflection on all women who are pregnant and on their life and their health and their well-being. So this is a new option that woman can give a consent herself if she is able, able to reply for herself, and it's necessary for her to decide. The doctor told her that there is a danger for her life, and she can decide, she is able to decide, she can give her consent on abortion herself. This is very new, because before only husband, only male could decide and could give consent. Without a consent of the husband, it was impossible to make abortion. So now this is a new option, and inshallah it will also give positive reflection, because sometimes it's impossible to reach a husband at certain point. He is traveling, or he is unavailable, or he is busy, or under some reasons it's impossible to reach on him. So the life of the woman can be in serious danger, and maybe sometimes it's very negative to wait too much time for his consent. So this is another positive impact. The question of our subscriber, on what term the abortion can be possible. So as I understood, the question is about time. Earlier there was limitation, so after 120 days it was not allowed to make abortion even under medical condition. Now this limitation is gone, so there is no limitation anymore. Depends on the circumstances, and only two reasons. One is in danger of the life of the woman, another the problems with the health of possible future child is present. So these are the conditions of the abortion. I hope I replied on this question. So speaking further, if there are any differences for abortion for the Muslim woman and for non-Muslim woman, at the moment in UAE, no, there are no differences. For the Muslim or for non-Muslim, it still covers at the same point. However, in the new law there is a regulation that that there is a regulation that most probably in future there might be some new resolutions that will enable to make abortion for, I suspect that it will be for foreigners and for non-Muslim people, non-Muslim women. To allow them to make abortion depends on their culture, their religion, and their let's say way of thinking or culture, way of life, etc. But at the moment, no. Also recently, within this couple of years, there was a new regulation regarding possibility, it's also for non-Muslim, possibility for the single mother to give birth in UAE. Earlier, this was impossible. It was a crime and it was a criminal liability. It was a serious issue. Right now, for non-Muslim women who are pregnant, they have possibility to request for birth certificate without a husband. If he's unable, or he's not present, or he's lost, or he's not existent, not existent as a husband, then she can request for the birth certificate herself. And in this situation, it's also positive that thanks to the new updates in the law, she can give consent for abortion herself because she doesn't have husband. So this is also very positive. All these changes should support women, should support their health, should make this necessary protection for the life of the child and life of the woman better and easier. Inshallah, I hope that this information will be useful for those especially who are maybe in this condition, who are pregnant, or who are just looking over some important regulations in the country which might reflect life and well-being of each and everyone in the country. If there are no further questions, let me go through the chat. I give salam to everyone who attended today. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. There have been some questions. How are you? I am fine. I hope that you are also all fine. You had good Eid, you had good holidays, and I hope that this topic will inshallah give some useful information for those who live in UAE, those who want to know more about important things in the life that might at any moment touch each and every one. And if there will be any additional questions after this live stream, you can always contact through their messages or on the email, and I'm always thankful to all questions from the subscriber, and with big pleasure give reply to each and every one. This live stream will be recorded and it will be shared on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for those who unfortunately were not present at the moment, but inshallah will be able to watch this information later on the blog where it's available. Thank you so much. Stay safe, take care, goodbye. I am always thankful for your questions. If you want to have another live discussion about some certain topic, any topic, please share your suggestions, your ideas, or your propositions. Always glad to know. Take care, stay safe, goodbye.